Thinking how you looked the last time you sat with me across the table. Now each lonely meal, your glass will not be filled. Your chair is empty. I can still imagine you sitting there chatting, telling me the news of the day, making your plans to do this or that, hoping it won't rain. For heaven to bring you back from the lonely hospital bed. I see you rising on the wings of my prayers. You're coming home for lunch, sitting in your chair across the table. Shadows on the floor, the open screen door. I think about you being there, baby. Every sound in the silent house making me aware you are not there. I'm staring at the empty glass, thinking how you looked the last time you sat with me across the table. And now each lonely meal, your glass will not be filled. Your chair